This chief motor sit there like this. So the boys want tell me say they never fix this chief motor like this so. And they want make problem, many police chief now carry police come the worry. Now think they want abi. What Toby want send message since so? Wait, Toby never return since for message I send them. Since I think I go Rumokoro, go change tire for policeman, never come back since. Who know whether never they go follow small girls say they are there. And where they think they come their own. Now all these boys they do what? Papa Chuchu. Yes, sir. What you do your name? Say no get name. Which part you stress me?
Oga.
Yeah, for I come back go free. What you come to happen here now?
I was fixing the gearbox now.
You dey fix gearbox?
Yes, sir.
Do you make go fix that policeman motor there abeg? Come and go Ilabuchi go buy this engine for am go change it. Abeg go quick come back. Ilabuchi just dey do again now. What you call dey do again?
Oga, running stomach.
Running stomach again kwa? I run enter bush here make you go free yourself. Abeg wetin be this one now?
No, I don't like going to public places. I rather go back home to defecate. Please. I don't.
You rather go back home to which kind of pattern be this one? Wait. Because since we start this work, I don't suspect you so. You don't follow this boys now. They don't teach you why you abi. Because what time now say go waste 500 going. 500 coming to go hard just to go shit. Enter bush, how to do that? I go to go shit.
No, I just have to go. I want to go back. I want to go back home.
You want to go back home?
God,
no wahala. Now judgment day go know how far. No worry. Can this thing? I want to say make this guy make them go pump for me. Man put for this man motor. Man carry this motor come on here. Man no drive with the worry myself. I never see this thing don strong to don stiff no oil. When you think that way they clean that thing well o. I know wetin dey do a small so now. Why full all of una head too? Person go dey complain for under this also. Man dey move this motor wey dey here. I wan no drive with the worry me. Papa Chuchu, where Papa Chuchu sef dey? Papa Chuchu.
Oga.
Which time you answer me, Oga? I go shout your name 100 times before you go answer me. What you dey do there? Why you no come go buy me this oil? So I don leave this thing here. This thing don stiff here finish.
Oga.
Which kind headache una dey give me yourself?
I was busy cleaning the.
You are busy. No only you dey speak English for this work so. No only you wey go have advice on the wey dey speak English. Come go carry this thing go buy me this Rumokoro buy me oil abeg ma fix for this one. This one don strong. Na me hydraulic. That one dey I no go do. Shey you hold that change yesterday so.
I think so.
Carry am go come buy. No dey speak English wey I no know wetin dey speak.
God,
they speak English, you no go dey American do that dey work. So this one small particular motor don dey how many days so comot make dey free am make dey make person comot am who know wetin dey worry man other motor come know children go dey give person headache abi no you be oga wey dey wetin dey come dey make my mind. Abashi wetin come be this one again na? Wetin come dey my back dey cry na when the oil wan send me make you buy.
As I was going oga, I received a phone call from the village that my great-grandfather that senior my grandfather just died.
Your great-grandfather just die. No only when your grandfather dey die every time. So every day we start this work. Na be the only person there so. And now you carry one. All people were dey spoil the children so. Wait. No be tell me say your grandfather died 2 years ago. Which I record that the one country money sef give you make you carry go give them.
Actually, as I was going on, I now received a phone call then that you contributed money. As I was going to the area, I now received a phone call that my grandfather that senior my father, he resurrected from his death.
So now what you want tell me now say una get Lazarus for na family abi? I don't think say this one na why you say I no dey look you Papa Chuchu. I no dey look you since. Na the judgment day na all the thing wey you do go dey your certificate. No worry na no be how e dey. Dey go where you dey go.
I just have to rush that.
No rush dey go na that mortuary wey dey go continue dey go and you go dey go and dey go. No worry na.
I want to go to the mortuary. Let me
speak English. When you reach mortuary speak English there. Maybe all you want to say na.
Okay, I didn't get to the place again before I received the phone call now.
When you call Tunde for me make am go by me say I no know wetin. I dey go your base dey my nose so. Go call Tunde for me. Go make call Tunde for me make go by me or you come.
Today is that day of joy. That day of joy. Chai. Today is that day of joy. That day of joy that the Lord have made. Papa Chuchu.
Braton, where they go now? Which one way can't carry big bag like this?
Braton say, I forgot to let you know. See, today is my settlement day and today is my happiest day.
Settlement for waiting again, Kwan?
I've been serving Moga for the past 7 years now. Today is the day of my settlement now at work.
Papa Chuchu, which guy go get my settle person like you? You when they go work in a week? How many times did they go? Not be 1 or 2 times. Hey, Papa Chuchu.
That is your own cup of tea. The only problem is that Moga
God have mercy upon us.
And you have settled other boys 12 million. That is what I heard.
12 million.
12 million. Don't shout it.
No, Alana. Anyhow, you remember me, Papa Chuchu.
See, the only thing you do for me now, just keep your phone on. In case of necessity, I need your help. Like backup to bring more bag.
Papa Chuchu, I no go tell anybody.
Good.
Even landlord sef, I no go tell am.
Don't tell
No worry, no worry. Anything, he just call me, I go come now.
I trust you.
Oh, more.
Please, you help me and you see those goats there. Help me arrange them in case they are hungry.
I go back am.
Why is everywhere so dried like this? I can't even find Toby. Where is Moga? Who this man is around? Oga? What is he doing? He's looking away. Oga? Oga?
Who are they see? Papa Chuchu.
Hi, Oga.
You saw me carry back all like this. What's in the happen? I don't expect to see you today. I don't even expect to see you in less than 20 years time. I don't even expect to see you. What's in the happen?
I know you don't want to see me, but today is the due day now. I'm so happy. I couldn't sleep throughout the night, because I was expecting this particular day.
New day for what? Christmas never reach. They carry back. Christmas never reach. They want travel so. New day for what? What do you mean, sir?
I'm here for my settlement now. Have you not settled other boys?
Oh,
Come and settle me. That's why I came with this guy.
So one year, very good. To settle you.
Now.
For what you do for me?
Have I not been working with you for 7 years? I've been serving you now.
For the problem where you don't cost me, sure they almost carry people for prison. So for the whatever they do, your ancestors them, you not say they with them by now. So when you say they go to their village.
See, Oga, I'm not here for this joke. I don't like joke when it comes to money. Come and settle me. Put my money here now. Let me just go. I don't like a transfer. That's why I came with bank. I like it in cash so that I will start from here and start spending.
Oh, you carry back also. Make I put your money for you.
If this one is not enough, if this one will not be enough, you tell me, let me put call for backup. And if it's for me to go and get another Ghana must go, I bring
Don't
it.
be small backup. You go carry full
God
bag.
have mercy
Come
upon
collect
us.
the money. Bring Nama go put money. So now your money abi.
Be fast. I don't have
This
time.
guy go do. Oh, you worry. Wait, so that man go bring money. Come give you. Just now.
Someone will work for you for 7 years. You don't want to settle someone. Let that money be more than 12 million because I learned that you settled others 12 million. Me that is close to you, I'm your brother, your community brother.
In a smoky book.
Let me even call my landlord to pay him his house rent. Now.
God have mercy upon us.
Hello? Landlord. It's me, Papa Chuchu. Landlord, you said I'm owing you for 3 years back. Okay, how much? Just 450,000. Landlord, stop. You know what? I want to pay your money now. But you just have to go to the POS man that is in front of that compound that have that son that post that speak. Tell him to transfer 450,000. Okay, no, you know, just when you go there, let me know. I will talk to him. I just want to pay you off. I don't want to be owing you anymore. Okay. I'll be expecting a call. Okay. Hello? Okay, is that the POS guy? My landlord is there with you, ba? You have to transfer him 450,000 naira. When I come back, I will just surprise you with 500,000. Yes, now. Okay, don't be scared. I have money now. As I'm talking to you, I will be coming back with more than 12 million naira cash. So I will pay you off now. That is chicken change.
You can't wish.
Please, just do it. Just do it. I don't want to be owing that man. Thank you. Look at the time. What's holding this man now? If this man cannot put all those money inside that bag, you go for backup now.
No need to Papa Chuchu. I don't come. No need for backup. See your money here, yeah?
Oga.
Your money.
I hope the money is complete because I don't like half payment. I will not take advance for all my labors for 7 years with you.
In the inside, no worry. Your money there.
Let me check. Oh, why the bag is not that heavy now?
Check and now open a fair. Do they complain?
God have mercy upon us.
Am I seeing the envelope now? Oh, you want to tell me that you want to give me a check? But I told you I don't like check. I want my money cash now.
See, Papa Chuchu, they make myself. You see, for all the days where you work, your money there already there now 1,870 naira 90 naira. Now for the work where I already said to you where you work, so they have to say, out of the 7 years where you let work, so only 7 days you will work. And after that 7 days, now 6 days, you now 8 schools, you don't come work. So now half day work. I even tell us I give you 1,870 naira. I make this and pay transport. Then buy food and drink food.
Okay, what you
God
tell me
have
for my
mercy
7
upon us.
years with you? You just 1,700 something naira you gave to me as settlement or what?
Exactly.
Why you now? I say on judgment day, your certificate self no day. So don't you worry for certificate. You hear me so? For all the things you work when you left, so we almost put me for problem. I go police station 4 times. I nearly go prison because of your wayo. And people walk say, people want to run scatter village, so scatter everybody. Want to village. If they call you, they ask me for settlement. Settlement fee. Why you do this? They go up there. Give me headache for where again.
How will I say that get I just also want to transfer 500,000 to my landlord. Oh, I don't like this now.
I don't. If they worry me, I don't go inside.
What is that? Oh God, oh God, oh.
You think say they wise?
It pays for the hard working. It pays for the hard working.